It's sale time and I have bought this super soft and warm sweatshirt from Amazon as Amazon is having its mega fashion and beauty sale from 25th to 29th November where it's offering fast delivery, great discount and huge variety of products with easy exchange. Look at my beautiful woven and reversible and warm shawl. It's also from Amazon mega sale. So, what are you waiting? Check out all huge variety of Amazon fashion and makeup and skincare products from its amazing mega sale.
So in the winter times, it is very important for us to take care of our skin as well. And this winter, I have bought my winter skincare regime products from Amazon, as Amazon is the only platform through which you can get all the products, all your favorite products at a very good and discounted price. So let's start from the winter care regime, which I personally follow on myself. As you know that I've got an oily skin which becomes dry skin in the winters, so it is very important for me to take care of my skin, and to start with that I always use a good cleanser. So this time I have tried Kaya Intense Clarity System. This is a pack, 3 easy steps to fight pigmentation, because after my pregnancy I started developing some signs of pigmentation as well. Now this pack comprises of 3 different things. As you can see, it has a cleanser, it has a pigmentation corrector, and it has a brightening day cream as well. I'm going to show you all of them one by one. So this is the cleanser. This cleanses your skin thoroughly. Whether you have a dry skin or a combination or an acne prone skin, this is the best cleanser which I've ever got in my life. This goes with all skin type. It has got all the perfect ingredients for all skin types. The second step, after cleansing my face, I basically, since as you can see I've got some spots over here, some sort of pigmentation on my cheeks, so I applied this pigmentation reducing complex by Kaya itself. Now this is again a very good pigmentation reducing cream. This comes in a spray form. You just have to take few spray of this and apply it on all over a pigmentation areas, and it says that you can see visible effect in just 2 weeks. So this is just the end of my first week. I'm gonna tell you about my experience with the same after 2 weeks in the description box below. The third step which I follow, because after that we also have to moisturize our skin, and for that I apply this Kaya brightening day cream. The best part of this cream is that it has SPF 15 and it has vitamin C and antioxidants as well. And once you start using this cream, you can see the result in just 7 days. So as you know, Kaya is a very good and renowned brand in the industry, and it also promises you to deliver the results within few weeks or days. So that is the reason I have tried my hands on this Kaya Clarity kit this time from Amazon. The other product which I have bought from Amazon in order to take care of my active acne is this Sebamed Clear Face Care Gel. As you can see, this Sebamed Clear Face Gel is ideal to combat pimples, blackheads and skin impurities. It also moisturizes your skin in the required quantity, and since it has a pH value of 5.5, so it also act against those bacteria which help in creating or developing acne. So when you use this, you reduce the tendencies of acne to emerge on your skin. So this is really very good, and as you can see I have already applied it on my active acne. The next brand which I have tried this winter season for myself is the brand called Recvil. I have recently bought these 3 super amazing products from Recvil from Amazon. I bought its sunscreen, which is an ultra matte sunscreen. It's pit stop gel in order to take care of my acne spots and black spots, and it's under eye cream in order to reduce my under eye. I'm gonna show you the products right now. This is the under eye cream, which is full of amazing ingredients. You just have to take 1 or 2 dots of the same and apply it under your eye like this in a very slow and gentle manner when you go to sleep, and you can see the visible results in just 2 weeks. So this is super amazing, and I can actually, you can actually see the effect which I am right now having on my skin, on my under eyes. I am bare skin. I haven't applied any cosmetic yet on my skin, and you can see how less my dark circles are now after just 1 week of the usage of this beautiful cream. This very beautiful pit stop gel is best to repair your old and new acne spots and scars. And as you know that I've got an acne prone skin which always leaves a scar behind. So I've been using this pit stop gel on my acne spots for over a week, and trust me guys, it is super amazing. It doesn't lead any type of greasiness when you apply it. Its ingredients, its smell is super amazing, and I can actually see less appearance of those spots. It has actually started vanishing, and I haven't applied anything on my skin, and you can see that how less visible these spots are. So I'm pretty sure that as more as I'm going to use this particular product, I am definitely going to repair and to remove all these spots from my face. So looking forward to this Requil Pit Stop Gel. Now talking about its Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. This is a gel which actually was recommended to me by my friend, and trust me guys, as soon as I've started using this, I've just fallen in love with this particular sunscreen. This is actually super ultra matte. So when you apply it, it gives you a feeling as in you have applied a primer on your face. And it has got SPF 50 plus. It is non-comedogenic, and it suits all skin types. So it is best, super best for oily or combination skin. And even if you have dry skin, you know that when you go out, there is a lot of pollution and UV rays. So this also protects you from all these things. It is water and sweat resistant. And if you have to apply any kind of makeup, feel free to apply any makeup on this particular sunscreen. It is not only going to protect you from UV rays, but also going to protect you from IR as well. So this was all my beautiful purchase for my winter season. My sweatshirt, my shawl, and all my winter care skincare products from Amazon. I am going to put all the details and links of all these products in the description box below. Do give all these products a try, especially the Requil one and the Kaya product, as you must have seen my previous videos wherein I have been recommending you some other brand products, but try and trust me guys, this Requil and Kaya kit is super amazing and perfect this winter season. So guys, go and check all these products out from none other than but my favorite brand, Amazon. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. And even if you are old to my channel and you haven't subscribed it yet, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for supporting me and for watching my video. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.